Imagine effortlessly creating high-quality images and videos without the usual headaches. Freelance designers juggling projects, video editors racing deadlines, and digital marketers needing quick visuals face intricate workflows, long learning curves, and technical challenges. These issues often cause delays, increased costs, and frustration. Common solutions to these problems include hiring more help, which can alleviate pressure but increases costs and risks inconsistencies in style and quality. Using stock content saves time but often results in generic visuals that fail to stand out. Manual creation by designers and editors, while potentially yielding unique results, is time-consuming and demands advanced skills, leading to burnout and inefficiency. Now envision a solution that eliminates these barriers. Introducing Domo AI, the ultimate tool for seamless visual content creation. Domo AI transforms complex tasks into an intuitive experience, allowing you to generate stunning images, craft lifelike video effects, and tell compelling visual stories, all with minimal effort. Curious about this revolutionary tool? Domo AI is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. It redefines visual content creation, making the process faster, simpler, and more impactful than ever before. Introduction: Domo AI. Domo AI is a cutting-edge platform that revolutionizes visual content creation through advanced AI technology. Designed for both novices and experts, it leverages state-of-the-art machine learning models to generate hyper-realistic images and videos with remarkable ease. Domo AI simplifies the creative process by offering a diverse array of AI models that cater to various artistic styles and preferences, from lifelike realism to imaginative transformations. The platform's adaptive AI customizes its output based on user input, ensuring that each creation aligns with individual artistic visions. Domo AI also features rapid, intuitive tools that make complex visual effects and transformations, such as converting videos into styles like Japanese anime or 3D cartoons, accessible to everyone. With its focus on high-quality results and user-friendly design, Domo AI empowers creators to explore new creative possibilities and streamline their workflows, setting a new standard in visual content innovation. Here are 5 key features of Domo AI, each designed to enhance your creative process and deliver exceptional results. 1. Diverse AI models. Domo AI offers access to a wide range of AI models, allowing users to explore various visual styles and techniques. Whether you need hyper-realistic images, stylized graphics, or unique artistic effects, Domo AI's extensive library ensures you can find the perfect model to meet your creative needs. 2. Adaptive AI. With Domo AI, AI technology adapts to your specific style and preferences. This means you can achieve stunning, personalized results that align perfectly with your creative vision. The adaptive AI learns from your input, ensuring that each project reflects your unique artistic touch and style. 3. Creative tools. Domo AI provides rapid, user-friendly tools that expand your creative possibilities. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and professionals to navigate. These tools help streamline your workflow, allowing you to generate high-quality visuals quickly and efficiently. 4. Versatile video transformations. Transform your videos into a variety of styles using Domo AI's advanced features. Whether you want to convert footage into Japanese anime, paper art, 3D cartoons, or other creative formats, Domo AI offers versatile options for visual experimentation and enhancement. 5. High-quality outputs. Domo AI is renowned for producing exceptional visual quality. Its advanced algorithms and processing capabilities ensure that the final outputs are not only visually striking, but also professionally polished. This ensures that your projects stand out with clarity, detail, and impressive realism. Here's a concise tutorial to get you started with Domo AI. Step 1. Sign up and choose a plan. Visit the Domo AI website and create an account. Select a subscription plan that fits your needs. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user-friendly dashboard. It provides access to various tools, AI models, and your project library. Step 3. Select an AI model. Browse the extensive range of AI models. Choose one that suits your project, whether for image generation, video transformation, or another application. Each model offers unique styles and effects. Step 4. Upload your content. Upload the images or videos you want to work with. You can drag and drop files or use the upload button. Step 5. Customize and generate. Use the provided tools to adjust settings and customize your content. Experiment with different styles, effects, and parameters. Click Generate to produce your visual. Step 6. Preview and edit. Preview the generated content. Make any necessary adjustments using the editing tools available. Step 7. save, and export. Once satisfied, save your project. Export the final visuals in your desired format, free of watermarks if you're on a paid plan. Domo AI is a versatile tool that excels in various creative and professional applications. Here are 5 prominent uses of Domo AI. 1. Social media content. Domo AI is ideal for crafting visually engaging content for social media. Whether you're designing striking posts, captivating stories, or attention-grabbing ads, Domo AI's advanced AI models help you produce high-quality visuals that stand out in crowded feeds. Its intuitive tools ensure that your social media presence remains vibrant and consistent, attracting and engaging your audience effectively. 2. Marketing campaigns. For marketers, Domo AI provides a powerful solution for developing unique and eye-catching graphics. The platform's ability to generate diverse visual styles quickly aids in creating memorable promotional materials, from dynamic banners and flyers to innovative digital ads. By using Domo AI, you can ensure that your marketing campaigns are visually compelling and resonate with your target audience. 3. Presentations. Elevate your presentations with Domo AI's dynamic visuals and animations. The platform enables you to create polished and engaging slides that feature complex graphics, animations, and data visualizations. This helps in delivering presentations that are not only informative but also visually impressive, enhancing the overall impact of your message. 4. Fan art. Domo AI is a valuable tool for fan communities, particularly for transforming popular characters, such as anime figures, into realistic images. This feature allows artists to reimagine beloved characters with new levels of detail and realism, enriching fan art and engaging with the community. 5. Educational materials. In education, Domo AI helps in generating illustrative content that enhances learning materials. From detailed diagrams to engaging infographics, Domo AI's capabilities support the creation of clear and visually appealing educational aids, making complex concepts easier to understand. Domo AI offers several key advantages that make it a standout choice for visual content creation. 1. Wide variety of AI models. Domo AI provides an extensive selection of AI models, enabling users to explore diverse visual styles and effects. Whether you need hyper-realistic imagery or artistic transformations, the broad range ensures you can find the right model for any project. 2. Easy-to-use interface. The platform boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and experts. This simplicity allows users to quickly create high-quality visuals without requiring extensive technical skills or training. 3. Flexible subscription plans. Domo AI offers various subscription plans to accommodate different needs and budgets. This flexibility means you can choose a plan that best fits your usage and feature requirements, making the tool accessible to a wide range of users. 4. No watermark in paid plans. Paid plans with Domo AI include a watermark-free experience, ensuring that your final visuals are clean and professional. This is particularly beneficial for businesses and professionals who need polished, high-quality output. 5. Regular updates with new styles. The platform is regularly updated with new styles and features, keeping your creative projects fresh and current. These updates ensure that you have access to the latest trends and advancements in visual content creation. Domo AI has a few limitations to consider. 1. Limited credits in lower-tier plans. Users on lower-tier plans may find their credits insufficient, restricting the number of projects they can undertake or the extent of features they can utilize. 2. Requires subscription for full feature access. To access the full suite of Domo AI's features, a subscription is necessary. This could be a drawback for users seeking a free or one-time payment option. 3. Advanced features exclusive to higher-tier plans. Some of the platform's advanced tools and capabilities are only available in higher-tier plans. This exclusivity may be a disadvantage for users who need these features but are constrained by budget. Despite these disadvantages, Domo AI shines with its user-friendly interface, diverse AI models, and regular updates. These advantages make it a powerful and adaptable tool for creating exceptional visuals. In conclusion, Domo AI stands out as a powerful tool for visual content creation, offering a wide array of AI models and a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and professionals. Its flexible subscription plans and regular updates ensure that users have access to the latest features and styles, enhancing their creative projects with minimal effort. While there are some limitations such as restricted credits in lower-tier plans and the need for a subscription to access full features, the platform's strengths often outweigh these drawbacks. Interesting fact: Domo AI's innovative approach to visual content creation has made it a favorite among creators, leading to its use in over 1 million unique projects worldwide. This widespread adoption highlights its effectiveness and popularity in the realm of AI-driven design. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Domo AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.